Welcome to our comparison of two compact laundry dryers perfect for apartments: the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer. In this video, we will explore their key features, performance differences, and which one offers better value for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer boasts a generous capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, allowing it to handle larger loads of laundry compared to the BLACK+DECKER model, which has a smaller capacity of 1.5 cubic feet. This means that if you have more laundry to dry, the Euhomy dryer can accommodate it in fewer cycles, making it a more efficient choice for busy households. When it comes to power, the Euhomy dryer leads with a robust 1400 watts, ensuring faster drying times for your clothes. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER dryer operates at 850 watts, which means it may take longer to dry your laundry. For those who prioritize quick drying, the Euhomy is the clear winner in this category. In terms of pricing, the Euhomy dryer is priced at $269.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the BLACK+DECKER dryer, which retails for $293.99. Given the larger capacity and higher power of the Euhomy, it offers better value for those looking for an efficient and cost-effective drying solution. In conclusion, both the Euhomy and BLACK+DECKER compact dryers have their unique strengths. The Euhomy offers a larger capacity and faster drying times at a lower price, making it ideal for those with higher laundry demands. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER is perfect for those with limited space and smaller laundry needs. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.